Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have three circles passing each other inside a rectangle. The radius of this circle are 3 units. We have to find the area of this rectangle. Consider this is the center of first circle and this is the center of this circle and this is the center of third circle. At first, join this touching point of first and second circle and the center of third circle and extend this line to this side of this rectangle. Consider this yellow line is that line. Now join this point and the center of this circle and join the center of this third circle and the second circle. Now consider this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, and this has D and this has E. Now, as the radius of every circle is 3 units, so this C to D, this length is 3 units, and this C to this point, this is 3 units, and this point to B, this is also 3 units. So the total length of BC is 6 units, and AB is the radius of this circle, so this is also 3. Now we can find the length of AC by applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So applying Pythagoras theorem here, we can write this AB square plus this AC square is equal to this BC square, or AB, this is 3 units, so 3 square plus we have to find the length of AC, so this AC square is equal to BC, this is 3 plus 3, 6 units, so 6 square, or 3 square is 9 plus AC square is equal to 6 square is 36, or taking this 9 to right side, we will get AC square is equal to this 36 minus this 9 is equal to 36 minus 9 is 27. Now taking a square root to both sides, we will get AC is equal to, this will be a square root of 27 is equal to, we can write it as 3 times square root of 3. So this is the length of AC, and this EA, this will be same as this line. This is same as this line is the radius of this circle, which is 3 units. So this EA, this will also be 3 units. So the total length of this E to D, so DE, this length will be this length CD plus this AC plus this EA. We have these three length. So CD, this is 3 unit, plus AC, we have found this AC is equal to 3 times square root of 3 plus EA, this is 3, is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 plus this 3 times square root of 3. And this ED, this is same as the length of this side of this rectangle. So the width of this rectangle, this will be 6 plus 3 times square root of 3. So this length is 6 plus 3 times square root of 3. And the length of this rectangle will be this and this length, and if we extend this total length will be same as this total length, as this is 3 because this is the radius of the circle, and this is also 3, and this is 3, and this length will also be 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, and this 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. So the total length of this rectangle will be 12 unit, because here 4 times 3. So we have found that the length of this rectangle is 12 unit and width of this rectangle is 6 plus 3 times square root of 3. So the total area of this rectangle will be length times width. So length is 12 unit and the width of this rectangle is 6 plus 3 times square root of 3. Multiplying this, we will get 6 times 12 is 72 plus 3 times 12, this is 36. So 36 times this square root of 3, and this is the area of this rectangle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.